Making liquid fertilizer from plant leaves is an effective way to utilize organic waste and fertilize plants. The process involves fermenting organic materials, such as leaves, air, and sugars, to produce a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Here are the general steps for making liquid leaf fertilizer. 1. Material preparation. Collect fresh leaves from various types of plants. Moringa leaves, papaya leaves, and lantoro leaves are some popular examples. Cut the leaves into small pieces or blend them to make them easier to break down. Prepare additional ingredients such as water, granulated or brown sugar, and a decomposition activator such as EM4. Effective microorganisms 4. Two. Fermentation. Mix the chopped or ground leaves with water in a large container. The general ratio is 2 parts leaves to 1 part air. Add sugar and EM4 activator, and stir until evenly distributed. Cover the container with a cloth or rag, ensuring air circulation but not too tightly to prevent insects from entering. Store the container in a cool, dark place for several weeks, stirring occasionally. 3. Filtering and use. Once the fermentation process is complete, usually 2 to 3 weeks, strain the liquid fertilizer to remove the residue. The liquid fertilizer is now ready to be used for watering or spraying plants. Additional tips. Make sure the container you use is clean and sterile to avoid contamination. Avoid using leaves that are rotten or infected with pests and diseases. Pay attention to environmental conditions during fermentation, such as temperature and humidity. The resulting liquid fertilizer can be stored in a tightly closed bottle or container. By following these steps, you can make your own organic liquid fertilizer from plant leaves that is both environmentally friendly and beneficial for your plants. Liquid organic fertilizer (POC) is a fermented solution of organic materials, such as plant residues, animal manure, or other organic waste. This fertilizer provides readily available nutrients to plants, helping to improve their growth and fertility. Here is a more detailed explanation of liquid organic fertilizer. Definition: Organic materials. POC is made from natural materials that have undergone a decomposition or scarification process, such as plant residues, leaves, stems, fruit, animal manure, or kitchen waste. Fermentation. These organic materials are fermented with the help of microorganisms, which help break down the organic material into a form more easily absorbed by plants. Solution. After fermentation, the decomposed organic material dissolves in the air, forming a liquid organic fertilizer that is ready to be applied to plants. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer. Soil fertilizer. POC helps improve soil fertility by providing the nutrients plants need. Stimulates growth. POC can stimulate plant growth, especially during the vegetative phase, leaf and stem growth, and the generative phase, flower and fruit growth. Improves soil structure. POC can help improve soil structure, making it looser and more easily penetrated by plant roots. Environmentally friendly. POC is made from natural ingredients, making it more environmentally friendly than chemical fertilizers. Easy application. POC is easy to apply, either by spraying it on leaves or pouring it onto the soil. Examples of ingredients and methods. Ingredients: plant leaves, rice washing water, EM4, effective microorganisms, molasses, sugarcane molasses, manure, rabbit urine, coconut water, etc. Method. Fermentation is carried out by mixing these ingredients in a closed container, then letting it sit for a while until the fermentation process occurs. Filtering. After fermentation, the fertilizer is filtered to separate the dregs or sediment, and it is ready for use. Important. POC maturity. Ensure the POC is mature before use to avoid negative impacts on plants, such as low nutrient levels or the presence of pathogens. Phytotoxicity test. Conduct a phytotoxicity test. test for toxicity to plants before using POC on a large scale, especially if using new ingredients. By utilizing liquid organic fertilizer, farmers can reduce their dependence on chemical fertilizers, increase crop yields, and preserve the environment. After 1 month of applying your homemade liquid organic fertilizer, your plants should show several positive signs, such as improved growth, greener leaves, and stronger roots. Properly fermented liquid organic fertilizer should be stable and ready to use, with no foul odor and no signs of significant sedimentation. Here are some things to look for after 1 month of applying liquid organic fertilizer. Changes in plants. Improved growth. Plants should exhibit faster and healthier growth compared to plants not treated with liquid organic fertilizer. Greener leaves. Plant leaves will appear greener and fresher due to the nutrients provided by the liquid organic fertilizer. Stronger roots. Plants will appear stronger and healthier, allowing for better nutrient uptake. More flowers and fruit. If relevant, in flowering or fruiting plants, you may notice an increase in the number of flowers and fruit produced.